Hello, coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the 2004 US 1-cent coin. Could this seemingly ordinary coin be worth $1 million? Well, stick around because we're about to find out. But before we dive into the value of this particular coin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our coin-related updates. Alright, let's get into it. The 2004 US 1-cent coin may not seem like anything special at first glance. In fact, it's a common coin that you might have in your pocket change right now. But there's a twist: some of these coins could potentially be worth a small fortune due to a rare minting error. Here's where things get interesting. The 2004 Lincoln Memorial penny was supposed to have a specific design on the reverse side. However, a few of them ended up with something different: the design intended for the 2005 penny. This error is known as the 2004 Wisconsin extra leaf low. On the left, we have a regular 2004 penny, and on the right, we have the error coin with the extra leaf. As you can see, there's an extra leaf on the error coin right next to the ear of corn. This is where things get exciting because these error coins are exceptionally rare. So, how rare is this coin, and what's it worth? Well, it's estimated that only a few thousand of these error coins made it into circulation. That's what makes them so valuable to collectors. Depending on the condition, the 2004 Wisconsin extra leaf low penny could be worth anywhere from $1 million to potentially over $1 million. Several factors come into play when determining the value of your 2004 Wisconsin extra leaf low penny. These include its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. If you have a well-preserved example in great condition, you might be holding onto a small fortune. So, how can you tell if you have this rare error coin in your collection? Look for the extra leaf next to the ear of corn on the reverse side. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to consult with a professional coin appraiser or use specialized coin collecting resources. The 2004 US 1-cent coin could indeed be worth $1 million if you happen to have one with the rare 2004 Wisconsin extra leaf low error. It's a fascinating reminder that sometimes, even the most common coins can hide hidden treasures for those who know where to look. If you enjoyed learning about this valuable coin, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts. And remember, always take care of your coin collection, as you never know when you might stumble upon a hidden gem. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy collecting. Don't forget to follow and subscribe YouTube channel for more exciting coin-related content. See you in the next video.